What up, everybody? Today we're gonna do the meaty, cheesy pasta. As you can see, you're gonna need some garlic, some shallots, some onions, some bell pepper, and some tomatoes. Go ahead, chop those up, get them ready. All right, then you're gonna need some ground beef, okay? When you cook the ground beef, do not season it because you're gonna need to drain all that extra fat. So we're gonna just cook this through. All right, then you got your sausages, you know what I'm saying? There's some kosher sausages right there. Go ahead, chop them up. Yes, sir. As you can see, you know what I'm saying? Look at all that oil. That's that cholesterol, okay? You're going to dump that out, all right? Then you see the sausages one more time. Sausages. Get the good kind. Don't be cheap. As you can see, I dumped the oil, went ahead, add my seasonings. That's my business, not yours, okay? Added the sausage. I added the onion and the garlic. Now I'm going to go ahead and sweat those out so they develop some flavor. All right, then I'm gonna go ahead. You see I added the tomato and the bell pepper and the shallots, everything coming down and coming together real nice. Once you get all the vegetables added, you're gonna take your favorite spaghetti sauce and get that added to your meat mixture and let that cook through. As you can see, I went ahead and added my elbow noodles, threw that into a baking dish, got everything looking real right at this time. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and take some Parmesan cheese and I'm gonna splash and dash and throw that all on the top of there right there. You see? Then I got my baby bells, cut those into a 4, you know what I'm saying? Right there, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm gonna push those into the middle of the meat mixture noodle combination I got going on. It's gonna have its own little layer of flavor and cheesiness going on in every scoop that you get. And then you're gonna go ahead and lay some of that good old mozzarella right on top, a nice layer of that, because we're gonna put this in the oven on 400 for about 15 minutes so that it can come out looking like this. You know what I'm saying? Absolutely lovely. If you're a fat person, you love it, because you know it's cheesy goodness going on all in there. Go ahead and get you some garlic bread. It's very simple. Y'all shouldn't need help on no garlic bread, but get you some and then enjoy. At this point, I will shut up and let you watch. No, I'm gonna talk through it too. Look, go ahead, get you a fat scoop. Go ahead, look. Oh, look at it. That part, that part right there. That's that part right there. That's what you're looking for. And now I'll let you enjoy it.